Welcome back, dudes. My name's Rob. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to change the front struts in an air-cooled 911. Now, maybe the later ones are a little different, but most of them up until 89 are going to be like this. And what you're going to want to do is rotate your wheel all the way toward whatever side you're changing the strut on. Then turn off your key, pop the hood. Now what you're going to want to do is expose the top of the strut tower right there. 22 millimeter socket, use an impact, just blast it off. And we're just going to pull down. There we go. Now the reason we turn the wheel is so we don't put much stress on this brake line. Then you should be able to just pull this out enough to clear it, and you can start taking stuff apart. As you can see, the seal on this one is totally shot. Now that we've got the shield off, we're going to push this back up here and seat it like that. Then take a torch. I'm just trying to heat up the very top edge of this strut housing. Now, they do make a tool for this. I'm just going to use a screwdriver and a BFH. Now, if you have Bilsteins, there's going to be a roll pin down here. I don't have that, so I don't have to worry about it. Now we're going to push down on this right here. Because it's not a gas charged strut, it's just going to stay down. Oop. And now we're going to make a mess because we're going to pull this out.
Ah, man, this just pissed oil everywhere.
Sometimes you need to remove a little O-ring on the top here that holds it in, but this one came right out. So this side has an insert. The other side did not, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second here. So this is from my driver's side, and this is from my passenger side. As you can see, they're quite a bit different. What I thought was interesting on the driver's side was this is the strut. I mean, it's just the fluid and everything is captive within here. This is an insert, so you can see it's a bit bigger. Again, there's some fluid on the bottom here. The purpose of the fluid is just to transmit the heat from the damper to outside. So that was actually pretty easy to get out. Now we're going to take the new insert. These are Koni Sports. They're adjustable, so that's pretty awesome. They are gas filled though, so that means they're going to want to extend as soon as you let go of them. There's fluid in here already, so hopefully you don't need to worry about it. Now, Koni gives you this gland nut, but they do not give you the tool to tighten it. It should look like a grinder wrench. I don't have one, so what we're going to do is just get it threaded and then tighten it down with a hammer and a screwdriver. One thing different about these Konis is they come with these little plastic discs that go on first. Then you're going to put on your bump stop like that. The floor jack and lift that control arm. That's going to help push this through here. The nice thing about Konis compared to Bilstein is they do give you all new hardware, but I think the original stuff looks better. It's a little more heavy duty. So that's what we're going to throw back on there. And there's just a little tab on these two washers. We're going to blast this nut back on with an impact. And there you go. Koni's installed. Time to get the car back on the road. If you guys learned anything, please leave a like and a comment. All right? Cheers, dudes. Till next time.